Okay, it's a word problem. Get excited. Writing and evaluating a function that models a real world situation. All right, we got Amy, and she's putting money into a savings account. And so she starts with $450. Each week, she adds $70. Now, what they want you to do is let S represent the total amount of money in the savings account and let W represent the number of weeks Amy has been adding money, and write an equation relating S to W. Now you got to make sure you use S and W. Don't use X and Y because Alex will count it wrong. But S is the total amount of money she has in the account. And so I'm going to start with S, and I'm going to say, okay, that equals, I know she plopped down $450 to begin with. And then each week she's going to add to that. So she's going to add $70 each week. So if there's only if it's just the first week, that's $70. If it's the second week, it'll be $140 total. If it's the third week, what is 7 times 3? $210 at that point. At the fourth week, 70, that'd be another $280. So as each week goes on, it would be that week number, because 140, this was 70 times 2. And technically, the first one was 70 times 1. The first week, then you get 70 times 3, 70 times 4, and so on and so forth. So it's really going to be 70 times whatever week you're on. That'll tell her how much money she has. Does that make any sense? Let's see. S is going to be $450 plus $70 times whatever week you're on. So if you're on week 5, it would be 450 plus 5 weeks have gone by. She's put $70 in each week. So 70 times 5 would be an additional 350 added to the 450, and you got $800. So this is my equation. That's what's going to go right here. But then it asks you a question. It says, well, how much money would she have after 14 weeks? So I'm going to use this equation. And in place of the W, I'm going to put the 14. They want to know total amount of money after 14 weeks. So it's going to be the $450, and grab my calculator. 70, hello. 70 times 14 is $980. $980. And then I'm going to add that to the $450 that she initially put in the account. And so by the end of the 14th week, she should have $1,430. Don't spend that all in one place. I could buy a lot of toilet paper. Okay, and that's what's going to go in this box. Hope that made sense.